Stock market, equity market and share market are all the same. It is a place where a person invests money, also sells and buys goods. Mainly, every person comes here for the reason that his money will be doubled. But the question is that why do we need a stock market after all? Why was the stock market finally created? So let's know in this video. Due to the stock market, money keeps circulating in the market. But how? When you buy something, you have to pay for it. This means that money goes from your pocket to someone else's pocket. And thus, money keeps circulating from one place to another. And due to the circulation of money, the economy is also increases. The economy grows in an indirect way. Stock market provides a central place for all investors. We invest in a stock because we think that the company can put our savings to a better use than we can and hence generate better revenues. On the other side, there are people with brilliant ideas but not enough resources. Now imagine a world where you had to go door to door to find such a company or such investors. Every companies need to invest their monies in order to scale and increase their returns, being also able to repay the promised amount and grow easily. The first concern is that finding people disposed to give you funds, trustworthy investors which will be interested in the performance and results of the projects. The stock market helps the government to generate revenue. You have to pay a lot of taxes while buying or selling the goods. It again indirectly helps to grow a country's economy. The stock market saves a lot of time and cost. With the advent of dematerialized form of shares, you can easily access and transact the goods from anywhere, anytime in the world. So please like this video and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to watch such amazing videos.